I'm Alex, and I'm going to show you how to make the ocean effect in Photoshop. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to start off with just a sky background, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a layer of darker blue, and then I added a circle ellipse with an outer glow, and the way you do that is go to FX, outer glow, and it'll add that glow. And to make it really bright, you just make the size really big. So then there's our sun. And now I added a layer over the ocean, and I'm going to take the color of the sun that I've done, and I'm just going to do a couple of basic little squiggly lines like this. And at first it doesn't look like much. But then also, you don't just want the light color, you also want a darker color too. So I'm going to add some dark in there too. Okay, and then I'm going to right-click that layer, because this is a different layer, and I'm going to select Merge Down so that it's all one layer. Then I'm going to go to Filter, and I'm going to go to Distort, Ocean Ripple. And there you'll see I can get a different sort of look for my ocean. And you know what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to get those dark lines out of there. And you can play with that all you want. I'm just going to go ahead and add some more of the yellow. It's okay if it's a little bit messy. It's just because when you get that ocean ripple effect, it'll look more realistic. Then you go to Filter, Distort, Ocean Ripple. And there you've got your, you can change the size of your ripples. I like them big just because it's waves and such. And you click OK, and then you'll have your ocean effect here. And then later on you can go back in and, you know, add your own effects like darkening, making it a little dark in between or underneath the waves. That's your basic ocean effect. My name is Alex, and this is how you do the ocean effect in Photoshop. Thank you.